Climb inside the 2013 Toyota Tundra. Having been designed with performance, style and comfort in mind, this vehicle delivers a satisfying driving experience for a diverse range of expectations. All of the following features are included: front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, and air conditioning. Under the hood you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited, yet composed, ride, and drive. Our aim is to provide our customers with the best prices and service at all times. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.